In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the filter function in Google Sheets, whether you're managing a data set for work, school, or personal projects. Learning how to use this function can save you a lot of time and make your data more accessible and easy to analyze. So, let's jump right in and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have the Google Sheets app opened yet, just go ahead and navigate to it in your browser. Once you're there, make sure you have your data ready. For demonstration purposes, let's assume you're working with a range of data that is already populated in cells B2 to D, and you want to filter this data according to a specific criterion in column A. Now that we have our spreadsheet open, your next move is to click on cell F2. This will be the cell where our filtered data will start to display. It's important because choosing the right cell ensures your filtered data won't overwrite existing information. Once you've selected cell F2, it's time to type in the formula. You'll write equals filter, open parenthesis, B2 colon D, comma, A2 colon A equals F1, close parenthesis. Let's break that down a bit. Essentially, this formula does two things. First, it defines the range of data you want to filter, which is designated as B2 through D. Then it specifies the condition for filtering, which, in this case, is data in column A matching the value in cell F1. As you type, make sure there are no typos. Even the smallest mistake can disrupt the function and lead to errors, so double-check the formula before proceeding. After you've entered the formula correctly, the final step is straightforward. Hit the Enter key. This action will execute the formula, and voila! Your filtered data will appear starting from cell F2. You'll see only the rows where the values in column A match the value in cell F1, neatly extracted for you to work with. There you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to efficiently manage and analyze your data. Practicing with different data sets and conditions will help you understand the versatility of the filter function. Remember, you can always come back to this guide if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to like, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy filtering!